Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan's Wallpaper. And have you tried to hang wallpaper in a corner where there's a door frame only within less than an inch? Just show them that space and mostra la audiencia. I can barely get my finger in here and we have to make a professional cut. So how do you do that? Okay, I'm sure many of you are wondering this at home who hang your own wallpaper. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So, well, here's one way to do it. First, I heated it up. I pushed the wallpaper into that spot using a plastic spatula. And I'm fairly certain that my wallpaper is in both corners, both against the green corner and against the metal frame. And how do I know that? When I slide the spatula up and down in there, I'm putting it on an angle so that it's both pushing on the green side and on the door side like that. And now, I'm going to cut the wallpaper only where I need it. This is where you'll see a lot of mistakes, in commercial especially. Now, let's do this. I'm pushing the metal up against the door frame corner, okay? And I can't even get much of an angle, but here goes. I'm making the cut right up against the metal. And I'm pushing that metal right up against that corner. And this is not easy, okay? It wants to move, it doesn't want to do it, but we gotta do it. This is not an easy cut. Nobody likes to do it either because it involves a lot of, it's messy. Okay. Okay. So now, if you can just put the camera in there and show them what I got so far. So now you see I haven't voided any of the wallpaper that needs to be on the wall. This less than 3/4 of an inch space between this and this. I haven't voided that. Now, I'm going to take my plastic spatula and I'm going to push this into place, okay? It takes a lot of finessing. You see I'm putting pressure up against the metal frame right now by pushing that wallpaper in. I'm holding this thing with two hands, pushing it up against this angle. This is very detailed, okay? We're at a Subway's installing their wallpaper, Subway restaurant. And for those of you watching in Europe, you know the Subways. It's just a little sandwich place. They're all around the world now. Now, we're going to have a 6-inch woodwork. I'm not concerned about the last 4 inches there that you're seeing. Not at all. My time is going to be spent on this corner. Now that I'm sure I haven't overcut it, I'm going to now break the blade and do it again. Now I've got the blade right in the corner. And boy, This is the real hard one. Okay? You see the green coming off just in strips? You must make sure your blade is in the right corner because you start to forget when you're in this tight spot here. All right, let's see how I did now. Very good. And then we'll cut this one down here. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay. Now, when I tell you folks it's about 3/4 of an inch, it might be less than that. And then I'm going to show you the finished product. Let me just clean it up for you. Not easy to do it. And you can see why. Okay, you can show them the corner. There you go. This is Spencer Colgan as Wallpaper. You can reach us at www.spencercolgan.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.